how to buy the egg token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account. They have a big community there, as you can see, and keep following their updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token it's increased by 140%. 140,000% in the last 24 hours, and as you can see, the 100% of liquidity is locked. That means your investment in the safe place. And now this token, it's under the Solana network. Now copy the token address and go and use the Phantom wallet to buy this token. Now just click on swap, and now click here to paste this token address, as you can see. So this is the token. Click on it and make sure you have enough Solana on your network, on your wallet. Sorry, just type here how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will receive. Now from here, just select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information from here. Now after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, now go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it. Now after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy egg token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.